Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Thursday, December 16th. Let's explore our number corner. Look at all of these amazing 3D shapes. What do you predict will be on today's card for December 16th? Will it be a cube, a cylinder, a sphere, or a rectangular prism? Let's find out. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa! We have a box, a puzzle box. 100 pieces. Oh my goodness. What 3D shape does it remind you of? Did you say rectangular prism? Yes! Great job, All-Stars. Great job. So we'll add that to our calendar grid. And that was a 100-piece puzzle box. Wow. We put that under rectangular prism because that's what it was. Very good. As we continue to explore more of our number corner information, we are now going to add another day in school. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, and now we're adding another 72 days in school. 72 days in school. We'll change our information here to show 72. We have 72 is a number. 72 is a number word. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71. If I add 2 to it, it will be 72. We have 60 plus 10, which is 70. 72 here. And we'll add one more penny. Fantastic. Now we have 72. I want to give you some work to do. I'd like you to open up your number corner book that has the blocks on the top and the person made of shapes to page 20. Page 20. You can pause the video for a moment if you need to pull up that book. Now, with this activity, it asks you, how many days have you been in school? And we just discovered we've been in school for 72 days. So you would write the number 72 here. It then asks you to color in 50 squares. So out of all of the squares here, you're going to color in 50 of them. And you can use any pattern. We know that if we went up and down, that's a group of 10. So you could say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You could color in this whole side, and that would be 50. The next question asks, how many more squares do you need to color to equal the number of days you have been in school? So if we have 50 squares colored in, and we've been in school for 72 days, you'd have to add on to that number 50 to figure out how we would move from the number 50 to the number 72. You can pull out your hundreds chart from our independent work area to help you with that. And then, after you figured out what that number is, you would write 2 or 3 math equations to equal the number of days that we've been in school. And we just did that with our number corner days in school. So you could use one of those math equations here if you like. Off you go. Have fun.